Imagine a world where the roar of a lion is only heard through headphones, a distant echo of what once was. Picture a world where the intricate dance of a hummingbird is witnessed solely on a screen, devoid of the thrill of seeing it in person. This is the potential future our planet faces, a future where virtual reality becomes the primary window to experiencing wildlife, replacing real-life encounters. The very notion is a stark reminder of the delicate balance between humanity and nature, a balance that is increasingly fragile. We stand at a crossroads where technological advancement must go hand in hand with environmental responsibility, ensuring both progress and preservation. Our planet is brimming with life, a symphony of ecosystems teeming with creatures great and small, each playing a vital role. From the depths of the oceans to the peaks of mountains, wildlife has captivated humanity for millennia, inspiring awe and wonder. These encounters with nature in their raw and untamed beauty have shaped our cultures, inspired our art, and fueled our curiosity, driving us to explore. But what happens when these encounters become relics of the past, mere memories captured in photographs and exhibits? The increasing disconnect from the natural world is a pressing concern, one that threatens our very connection to the planet. Urbanization, habitat destruction, and climate change are pushing countless species towards the brink, endangering the rich biodiversity we depend on. The spaces where wildlife once thrived are shrinking, and the opportunities for genuine encounters are dwindling, becoming increasingly rare. This growing distance from nature not only impacts our understanding of the planet, but also our very well-being, affecting our mental and physical health. As we navigate this challenging landscape, we must ask ourselves, can technology offer a lifeline to a future where virtual reality replaces real-world interactions with wildlife, or will it further alienate us from nature's wonders? The natural world is under immense pressure, facing unprecedented challenges. Human activities driven by a rapidly growing population and insatiable consumption have left an indelible mark on the planet, altering landscapes and ecosystems. Forests, once vast and teeming with life, are being cleared at alarming rates, leaving barren lands behind. Oceans, the lifeblood of our planet, are warming and acidifying, threatening delicate marine ecosystems and the creatures that depend on them. The very air we breathe is thick with pollutants, impacting wildlife and human health alike, creating a toxic environment. This destruction of habitats, coupled with climate change, has created a perfect storm for wildlife, pushing many species to the brink. Species are losing their homes, their food sources are dwindling, and their migration patterns are disrupted, leading to further decline. The result is a heartbreaking decline in biodiversity, with many species facing extinction. Thousands of species are now threatened with extinction, and the rate of loss is accelerating at an alarming pace. The consequences of this ecological crisis are far-reaching, affecting every corner of the globe. Every species plays a crucial role in the intricate web of life, contributing to the balance of nature. The loss of even a single species can have cascading effects throughout an ecosystem, impacting everything from pollination to water purification and beyond. Ultimately, the health of our planet and our own well-being are inextricably linked to the fate of wildlife and natural habitats. The situation is dire, but it is not hopeless. There is still a chance to make a difference. There is still time to act, to change course, and to protect the precious biodiversity that remains, ensuring a future for all species. This is where technology, if wielded responsibly, can play a pivotal role in conservation efforts and environmental protection. In the face of unprecedented environmental challenges, technology emerges as a powerful ally in the fight for conservation, offering new tools and methods to protect our planet. From artificial intelligence to drone technology, innovative tools are being deployed to monitor, protect, and even restore wildlife populations and their habitats, ensuring their survival for future generations. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing the way we understand and manage wildlife, providing deeper insights and more effective solutions. These technologies can analyze vast data sets from camera traps, satellite imagery, and acoustic sensors to identify patterns, predict trends, and inform conservation strategies, making data-driven decisions possible. For example, AI can help track animal movements, identify poaching hotspots, and even detect the sound of chainsaws illegally felling trees in protected areas, providing real-time alerts to rangers. Drones are another game-changer in conservation efforts, offering unparalleled access and perspectives. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, drones can access remote and challenging terrain, providing valuable aerial perspectives on wildlife populations and their habitats, which are often difficult to reach. They can be used to monitor deforestation, track endangered species, and even assist in anti-poaching patrols, making them versatile tools in the conservation toolkit. The use of technology in conservation extends beyond monitoring and enforcement, encompassing research and data collection as well. Scientists are using cutting-edge techniques like environmental DNA analysis to detect the presence of species from water or soil samples, providing valuable insights into biodiversity hotspots and the effectiveness of conservation efforts, ultimately guiding future actions. In the vast expanse of our planet, tracking and protecting wildlife has become more crucial than ever. With advanced technology, we can now monitor animal movements, health, and habitats in real time. This allows conservationists to respond quickly to any threats and ensure the survival of endangered species. It's a delicate balance, but one that is essential for maintaining biodiversity. Imagine a zoo where animals roam freely in environments that closely mimic their natural habitats. The zoos of the future are not just places for public display, but are becoming centers of conservation and education. With virtual reality and augmented reality, visitors can experience wildlife in ways never before possible, fostering a deeper connection and understanding of the natural world. These innovations are transforming how we interact with and protect our planet's incredible fauna. As technology advances, the line between the real and virtual worlds continues to blur. In wildlife conservation, this means using virtual reality to bring the wonders of nature to people who may never have the chance to experience it firsthand. By creating immersive experiences, we can inspire a new generation of conservationists and advocates for wildlife. It's about making the invisible visible and the distant near, bridging the gap in ways that were once unimaginable. Looking ahead, the goal is to create a balanced future where both humans and wildlife can thrive. This requires a commitment to sustainable practices, innovative solutions, and a deep respect for the natural world. By working together, we can ensure that future generations inherit a planet rich in biodiversity and natural beauty. The path forward is clear: protect, conserve, and cherish the incredible diversity of life that shares our world.